This video is going to show you how to access smrtDialer and see the different campaigns that you have been given access to by your system administrator. So when you log into smartphone, if you have access to smrtDialer, you're going to see it over here on the left-hand menu. And this icon here with the phone with the smrtDialer next to it is the main menu for smrtDialer. And if you click on that, you're going to get three options. Unless you are a administrator of the smrtDialer campaigns, then you will have more options. But if you're just a normal user, you're going to have a few options. Number one, of course, you can go to your documentation and see the different elements of how to use smrtDialer, how to use smartphone, in fact. There's all sorts of help documentation we've got. Number two, of course, you've got the DNC numbers. If you need to manually add one because you forgot to click it, you can do that. But critically, it's the campaigns menu that matters most, and that's the top one here. And when you click on campaigns, which you get to by default when you go into smrtDialer, you will have the different campaigns you have access to. So you'll find, depending on your organization, you may only see one or two campaigns. You may see all the campaigns. It really depends on your system administrators. But you have access here to the different campaigns that anything you have access to, you have here. And you can either scroll through or filter down. And you can, search through things here as well. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and just select the first campaign here. And I can now see the sort of key elements of the campaign. And I can see whether we've made any call sessions to this before and how many calls have been made in general. Because I'm just a user, I'm not able to use the campaign settings. See here. But if you do need to make a change or if you have any questions, please contact your system admin.